Camano Island and Stanwood neighbors, thank you for your support of our family of artists over all these years. I'm Jason Dorsey, the artistic director of Sunnyshore Studio, inviting you to visit Sunnyshore Studio, Studio Number 2, on the popular studio tour that takes place this weekend and next. We feature 5 generations of the Dorsey family of artists. My mother, Anne, moved to Camano in 1946. Her father, Doc Dodson, was a doctor in Stanwood. He also ran a farm on southwest Camano called Seacrest. Mom and her siblings love life on the farm and swimming in the sparkling waters of Mabana Beach. In 1952, my internationally famous great-grandmother, the illustrator and cartoonist Fanny White Corey, moved across the street from Doc in her daughter Sarah's farm. There she continued her Sunny Sayings and Little Miss Muffet cartoons syndicated in newspapers across the U.S., and every day painted a watercolor of her view looking out on Saratoga Passage, Whidbey Island, and the far blue Olympics beyond. In 1969, my dad, legendary Northwest artist Jack Dorsey, Mom, and 6-month-old me moved to a little white house and 10 acres of land on Camano, on a plot of land called Sunnyshore Acres. Dad converted an old fox shed into a studio and called it Sunnyshore Studio. In 2016, my wife Jenny and I fulfilled a lifelong dream to build a gallery to showcase our family of artists, 5 generations and counting. We named it Sunnyshore Studio. We are thrilled to show the work of my great-grandmother Fanny White Corey, including her charming fairies, which Jenny does such a great job displaying, Dad and Mom and my art, as well as my brother Jed Dorsey, Executive Director of Acrylic University and a leading acrylic artist today. Besides our family, we will host other artists including John Ringen, one of Camano's beloved watercolorists, and a collection of Jerry Stitt, one of the nation's top watercolorists who passed away in 2024. Emerging artists will be sharing their creative work too. I'm really excited to encourage the next generation of artists. I like to say that Camano is an island of artists. Your patronage has allowed our family of artists to share beauty all these years. Thank you for your support.